Hello there. I received an inbox message from my home warranty company. It's an article that shares 10 home maintenance tips for this winter. And I wanted to, just pay it forward and share this information with all of you out there in YouTube land. So, without further ado, here are those 10 tips for this winter. Number 1, check smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Number 2, get your furnace serviced. Number 3, insulate pipes in unheated areas. Number 4, prepare for the worst. Number 5, test your sump pump. Number 6, inspect your roof. Number 7, clean your gutters. Number 8, flush your hot water tank. Number 9, protect your air conditioner. And number 10, spruce up your entryway. It's nothing like a good entryway when you walk into your home. It's nice and inviting. It just looks aesthetically pleasing. It says, "Welcome to my home." So if you found these tips to be helpful, go ahead and like, comment, and share with others who may also find them helpful. And I'll be sure to leave the link for this article so you can read it in its full entirety down below in the description box. Until next time, take care.